Okay, friends, let's have a look how we can customize our curves on the timeline itself. We are here in our slide transition. And let's add our in and out ease. And without going to customize, we're going here on the timeline itself and click on this little icon here, on this keyframe icon. If you can't see it, you are zoomed too much out. So you have to zoom in order to see it. Once you click on it, this bar will open and it will show more details on the slide transition in this case. You can click then here on that wave icon and here you see the curvature of your transition. And in order to change this curvature, you can easily click here on the in or on the out point or on both separately and then change the behavior of the curve. So if we do this, it should make the transition in the middle a bit faster than in the in and out. So let's have a look at it. You see that here at that point, it's going faster. Let's see if we can make weird stuff. I'm always in for some weird experiments. It doesn't let me go over the threshold. I thought I could probably go further and then have the whole thing go back and forth. That's probably possible with other transitions, not with this one, so to see. You can make it even more. That's here. It should now be faster in the beginning and slower at the end. Yes. We push it a little bit more in this direction. Should have the reverse effect. Maybe I should get it a little bit back here. Yeah, and of course you can mess up everything. And in case that you messed up, you just hit this reset button here, right to ease. And then you are at none again. And as soon as you change something inside of this box, it will display custom again. So I hope you have fun with this. Have a great day ahead and goodbye.